Welcome back traders. In this video we will be going over how to use the ADX filter on trusted signals, as well as how to use the RSI. The first thing that you want to do, is go to the settings for your trusted signals divergence oscillator. Next you want to click on the tab also later used and click on the RSI. Now that we have the trusted signals RSI on our charts, we can turn the ADX filter on. To do that you will go to the Traditional Signals settings, and click on the Use ADX filter box. Notice that you can adjust the ADX smoothing and DI length to receive more buy or sell alerts. Now that we have everything turned on, we can begin to use this on our charts. First we need to understand what the ADX filter is, in order to understand how to use it when trading. The average directional index, or ADX, for short, is used to determine when the price is trending strongly. In many cases, it is the ultimate trend indicator. For trusted signals, the ADX filter allows you to stay in a trending market longer. Now that we understand the ADX filter, we can begin to incorporate the trusted signals RSI indicator, for added confirmation. RSI is short for Relative Strength Index. RSI. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. The RSI oscillates between 0 and 100. Traditionally, the RSI is considered overbought when above 70 and oversold when below 30. The trusted signals RSI is automatically set to the 70, the overbought level, and 30, the oversold level. An easy understanding on how to use the RSI is: when price reaches the 30 level, or lower, on the RSI, you are looking to buy the market. And when price reaches the 70 level, or above, you are looking to sell the market. Easy enough to understand? Good. Let's look at an example. We are looking at Euro to Japanese Yen on the 1-hour chart. We can see price has traded into our overbought level, which is our first confirmation to look for sell opportunities. Our second confirmation is, we can also see candlestick rejection at this level. Our third confirmation, is the divergence setting is showing us bearish divergence in the market, which we know means that the market could soon be trading to the downside. Our fourth confirmation, is the trusted signals indicator has given a sell signal. We enter the trade for a sell at the close of the candle. Our stop loss just above the zone of resistance, and our take profit level is set to the next zone of support on the higher time frame. You could also wait for trusted signals to give a buy signal, or for the RSI to cross the 30 level, or oversold level. Okay traders, that is all for this video. All links to purchase trusted signals will be in the description below. I will see you in the next video.